As a slow learner, I know exactly how it feels to not know which formulas to use for the NCEA 3 waves exam, so I'm going to help you. If you're given any question that looks like this, and the angle is smaller than 10 degrees, then you can use this equation. Otherwise, if it's larger than 10 degrees, you use this equation. You must remember that path difference equals n times wavelength. You then go on to explain how the different path difference, you see how this path difference is longer than this path difference, it will have a higher wavelength. And we know that red, the color red, we have to remember that the color red has longer wavelength than violet. Therefore, red would be like have a further path difference. This really helped me. If we're given a question and we need to find n, we're going to use this equation and we're going to assume that this is 90 degrees, right? Because this is the furthest it could go out. N could go out all the way there. You need to memorize equations like these that are not on your formula sheet. For example, if you know the length that the wave is traveling through and you also know your harmonic, you can solve to find the wavelength. If you're given the number of lines per millimeter of a diffraction grating, you use this equation. If your n is given in millimeters, make sure to times it by 1000 to turn it into meters. That is everything I learned at my physics tutorial yesterday. I found it was so helpful, so hopefully it helped somebody.